I speak well. Oh, why, thank you.
We have a giant surprise egg. I wonder what's inside, huh? Let's take a look. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, open it right here. These are all our marine animal toys.
What do we have in there, huh? Let's see, we've got a Lego speedboat for going in the ocean. What are you looking for, Dan?
Hi, I'm Dory. Excuse me. Hi. So, I'm looking for
Dory.
a family. Just want to hang out another time. Don't be a stranger.
Okay.
This one, it come out from the. And
This is a Dory eraser.
Put it from the egg and it come out.
And then what eraser is that one?
Nemo.
This is Nemo. You know, there's also a Hank and Destiny. Can you find Hank and Destiny? Where's Hank and Destiny? They're in there somewhere. Oh, you found Hank.
Hey, man, don't touch the cat. Wow. Hank, I'm so glad I found you.
Where's Destiny? You think you can find Destiny somewhere?
Where's Destiny? Where are you, Destiny? Destiny, aren't you somewhere? I think I found her. I think I found Destiny.
She's right there. Look. There she is. Hello. Hello, I'm Destiny.
I speak well. Oh, why, thank you.
These are our erasers. Not only do we have erasers, we got a Nemo car.
We have a clownfish, and the clownfish goes, oops, so slippery.
Oh, he's so fast.
And then, show me those fishes. We've got a dolphin,
And the Nemo one.
and then, show me the Nemo one. Here, where's the Nemo one?
Where is he?
It's a clownfish. I'm just like Nemo. I'm a clownfish.
Look, we've got a small Nemo, and a bigger Nemo. Oi, I'm Nemo too. I'm too big.
Here's a killer whale.
Killer whales are also known as orcas. And here's a smaller whale.
This is from Octonauts. Is this a killer whale too? I think so.
Do you know me? Oh, no, I'm sorry. I suffer from short-term memory loss. You found me! How did you find me?
And then we have a bunch of sharks. We have this shark, looks like a great white shark. And then we have this shark, it's a popping eye shark. We got a hammerhead shark. And then another hammerhead shark. I think these are hammerhead sharks. Maybe this is a hammerhead shark, and maybe this is another shark. I don't know the name.
What is this, Dada?
Look at this one. This is a beluga whale, huh? It's kind of like Bailey. Hi.
No.
Hi, Nemo. You're squishing me. Speaking of sharks, we got a cool Hot Wheels shark. Zoom.
Hi, I'm Dory. Excuse me. Hi. So, I'm looking for my family. Just want to hang out another time. Don't be a stranger.
And then we have this fish. I don't know his name.
What is this, Jin? What is it? Narwhal! From Octonauts. This is a narwhal. Oh, I have a narwhal.
What's his name?
Good.
Hi, I'm Squirt. I'm the son of Crush. Who's Crush, Janet?
She's a dude.
Crush is a dude? I'm kind of like Crush, but I'm probably Squirt. I'm a big Squirt, and that's a little Squirt, dude.
No.
Hi,
That's
dude. Hi, dude. How's it hanging? Yeah. Where you going? All right. Hi, Nemo. How you doing?
Hi, Squirt. I'm just hanging here. Look at all these little surprise toys, huh?
Yeah, there's so many. Oh, what is that? I think I see another one of my kind. Essa, I see another turtle. Do you see the turtle, Jaden?
Right there.
Where is he? Can you pop his eyes? Popping eye turtle.
It does not fit.
It works. Look, Jaden.
It doesn't not pop.
Look, it pops. It's popping. Oh, mommy eyes.
And then
This one too. This is our favorite. And there's a penguin because we love penguins. There's another penguin. And another penguin. And another penguin. What is that? Oh, that's a truck to tow the penguin, huh? We'll put the penguin on the truck and we'll tow the penguin, okay? We're gonna tow, no? Oh, in the what is this? The crate, right? Here, we'll just put the penguin in the crate, and then we're gonna tow the penguin. Here, we'll just put the penguin in the pickup truck then. It's so simple, James. Look, put the penguin in the pickup truck. Tow him away. Just sit there. I'm a dolphin. I'm like this dolphin.
Hello there. Do you know me? Oh no, I'm sorry. I suffer from short-term memory loss. You found me. How did you find me?
Dada, I connected.
all right, you connected it. Now we can fit.
What can we fit? What, we need to transport a marine animal. I got one. You can transport Nemo. He needs to go to the ocean. He's looking for...
Fisherman Way. Can you take me to Fisherman Way?
Jaden, can I get a ride, please? Jaden. Hi, Jaden. Can you put me on the truck, please? I need a ride.
I need a ride.
For the alligator.
Oh, an alligator. Okay. That's good too.
Hi, I'm Dory. Excuse me. Hi. So, I'm looking for
Dory.
a family. Guess we'll hang out another time. Don't be a stranger.
Those are most of the marine animal, sea animal, fish toys that we have.
Broken animal.
We do have some broken animals. Oh wait, what is this one? Do you remember what this is?
Anglerfish.
Anglerfish. That's right. Good job. Speaking of the Octonauts, I have an idea. All right. Here's our surprise Octonauts.
Let's head back to the octopod and warm up.
All right, let's see what's inside this octo sled.
Good work, Octonauts. Let's move out.
We got barnacles. Hey, we have another barnacles gup speeders. Another barnacles gup speeders. Vegemite.
Activate Octosled.
Woo!
Above and below the
Here's another gup vehicle. A Squazzy. And in this surprise gup vehicle, we've got two more gup speeders. Hi, I'm Paisley. I'm Shellington.
nice work. Let's head back to the octopod and
Look,
warm up.
it's Dashi. This is a cool gup vehicle. And it's got a surprise. It's barnacles and Vegemals. I'm barnacles. And what's this? What's this little surprise? It's a sea pig. Oink, 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 oink. You got some surprises in here, but instead of opening it, we'll just spit them out. Out came barnacles, and I think there's one more. I actually had three. These came out. Cool. Gup speeders. Yay!
Yay! Yay! Yay! I like gup surprises!
And
This looks like a whale shark. This looks like a whale shark, but it kind of doesn't look like a whale shark. It's got the spots of a whale shark, but the face looks a little bit different. So I think,
whoever made this toy was trying to make a little shark. Maybe it wasn't.
What else is this?
Who knows? I think that's it.